In Creo 13, Generative Design now supports displacement constraints as an option within the design criteria. The peak displacement option allows the user to specify the highest or lowest displacement in a specific direction. Users can specify multiple peak displacement constraints within one study. In this design, we have a force pushing on a surface of the model in one direction. We will define a minimum and a maximum value for this within the design criteria. Displacement constraints are only available within structural studies. Displacement constraints drive a targeted optimization by specifying an exact displacement value. This capability provides a realistic manufacturing outcome to replicate how geometry connects within an assembly.